Affordable Tree and Landscape LLC provides quality tree removal services in Westminster, Massachusetts, and surrounding areas. Finding a tree service company that is reliable, affordable, and provides quality service can be challenging. As the weather warms up, homeowners are looking for ways to spruce up their homes with landscaping projects. Unfortunately, many homeowners do not know where to turn when it comes to finding a reputable tree removal or landscape company. Affordable Tree and Landscape LLC offers professional tree removal in Westminster, Massachusetts, and surrounding areas. Our experienced team of arborists has more than many years of experience providing commercial and residential customers with high-quality tree care services at competitive prices. We offer free estimates on all jobs, so you can choose which option best meets your needs before we begin work on your project. Give us a call at 978-786-1059 to set up an appointment. Let's meet.